Have you ever opened the Quran, looked at the intricate symbols, the stretching lines and the colored letters, and felt a sudden wave of hesitation? You want to recite beautifully, the way it was revealed, but you're afraid of making a mistake? You're afraid you might change the meaning of Allah's words. Here is a truth that will change how you look at the Quran forever. Tajweed is not a hidden language, meant only for scholars. It is a physical map. Every single dot, color, and line is a direct instruction manual for your tongue. Today, we are stripping away the complex jargon. We're breaking down the ultimate Tajweed Mastery guide into 3 simple. Step 1 is knowing exactly where a sound is born. In English, if you mispronounce a letter, people still understand you. In Arabic, changing the point of origin changes the entire universe of the word. Look at these 2 words, khalaqa, which means he created, and halaqa, which means he shaved. One wrong vibration in your throat, and you've completely altered the verse. When you practice, put your fingers on your throat, feel the vibration. If it feels smooth, it's a ha. If it feels raspy, it's a kha. Master the muscle memory, and the fear disappears. Once you know where the sound comes from, you need to know how long to let it breathe. This is where the music of the Quran lives. 2 simple rules control 80% of this flow, ghunna and mad. Is the nasal sound. Whenever you see a noon or meme with a shadda, you don't just pass over it. Like in min al-jinnati wan nas, you hold it in your nose for 2 counts. And mad is your built-in pause button. Whenever you see that wavy wave symbol above a letter, it's a command from the text saying, stop. Stretch this sound. Pull it for 4 to 6 counts. It gives your recitation gravity. It gives the listener time to let the meaning sink in. Here is your blueprint. Do not try Tajweed in a single weekend. That the most beloved deeds to Allah are those done consistently, even if they are small.
The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us that the most beloved deeds to Allah are those done consistently, even if they are small.
Spend just 5 minutes a day. Pick one single page of the Quran. Don't focus on finishing the chapter. Focus only on finding the ghunna points or verifying your makhraj. Every stumble, every pause, and every correction you make is being recorded as a double reward for your effort. You are not just reading, you are polishing a divine art. Start your journey today. Open your Nurani Qaida, pick your first page, and let your tongue mirror the beauty of revelation. Now, mastering these rules page by page takes practice, and you don't have to do it alone. If you look at the screen right now, I've built a complete step-by-step specifically for you with Urdu translations.
If this video helped open your eyes to the beauty of Tajweed today, take a second to hit that like button. So if you want to polish your recitation every single week with me and join our learning community.